This model illustrates the sample space when you roll the dice. So here, for example, roll, right now it is 6 phase. So this is the sample space. It can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now roll the dice. So now we got a 6 out of 5 dots out of 6 possible sample space. So now let's have 2 dice. So first die has 5 and second die has 1. So you can now roll the dice again. 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 we got that. First one we got a 6, second dice has 5. So this is the sample space. So you have when you have 2 dice, you have a 6, 36, 6 into 6, 36 possible outcomes. And if you have 1, you have only 6 outcomes. This is the sample space. So total 36 sample space when you have 2 dice. So just to play around this model and understand the sample space for 1 die and 2 dice when you roll and to solve probability problems.